Yeah.
The cat and the mice. Once there was a house that was overrun with mice. A cat heard of this and said to herself, "That's the place for me." And off she went to live there. Every day the cat caught the mice one by one and ate them. After a week, the mice had lost so many of their friends they could stay in no longer. They stay in their house and not come out until the cat gave up and went away. Thought the cat. The only thing to do is to trick them out. So she came up with a plan. The cat climbed up the wall and grabbed a peg with her hind legs, lowering her body until she was hanging upside down. The cat thought the mouse would be fooled and come out. By and by, a mouse peeped out and saw her hanging there, but it wasn't taken in. "Aha!" it cried. "You are very clever, but you won't catch us anywhere near you. Don't be deceived by the innocent ways of those whom you have once found to be dangerous."